In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Google Forms on your desktop PC or laptop. So to create Google Forms, the first thing you will need to do is open up your browser and then search for Google Forms. Once you search for Google Forms, it will be the top search result here on Google, and you can click on the link to open it up. Once you are on this page here, you can select Go to Google Forms, and then what that will do is it will redirect you over to here. And then from here, you can now start creating a Google form. So first of all, you have templates here to use at the top of the screen. But what you can do is you can also create one from scratch by clicking on this plus sign here for a blank form. Once you click on that, as you can see, it will bring up this section here. And first of all, what you can do is name your form by double clicking on this section here. And you can name it whatever you like. So for this example, I will just name it tutorial. And then for option 1, if you click that, it will drop down a little bit. And for the untitled question, what you can do is you can put in anything you like. So I'll just put in name. And then as you can see, it's changed automatically to short answer. But if you click on this, you have short answer, you have paragraph, you have multiple choice, you have checkboxes, drop down, and so on. So obviously for name, it will be short answer. And for the short answer, obviously it will go there. And then you can also go ahead and choose whether this field can be required or whether it will not. So once you toggle this option on, what it will do is it will make anyone filling out your form enter in this field as a mandatory field. So for example, you can add a question. Once you add a question, you can have it on multiple choice. So for this example, I will just go ahead and put what do you use the most, and this can be a multiple choice. So what you can do once you have put that in, what I will do is I will just put in YouTube for this example, and then if you want to add multiple options, you can click on the add option. Once you click on add option, you can put in whatever you like, and then we'll put in a third option here, and you can also add an option for other. Once you click on that, as you can see, there is another box there which will be underneath all of your options. And again, you can also click on whether this field is required or not. So all you can do is simply go through and fill out your form. Once you are happy, you can click on the send option in the top right hand corner of your screen. And once you go back, the form that you have just created will also be stored in your recent forms section on Google Forms. So if this video did help you out, please let me know in the comments down below. Drop a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.